Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best soldering station on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. SumSour 8586 Soldering Station. SumSour 8586 is 2-in-1 digital display hot air gun station. One of the most critical features of this station is the compact and ergonomic design. This unit features an easy-to-hold, compact and lightweight design that is perfect for small medium-sized hands. The 2-in-1 digital display hot air gun station by SumSour is a versatile and powerful tool. Its main function is to desolder and clean joints, but it can also be used to solder components, strip wires, and much more. Number 4. JCD 8898 Soldering Station. The JCD soldering station is the one tool you can use for minor rework, repairing of all small electronic devices, soldering and much more. This SMD soldering station is only 8 thick. It's perfect for electronic, computer and cell phone repair, maintenance, and upgrade. The SMD Electronics LCD digital display soldering station offers a portable, cordless way to fix, repair and upgrade all your small electronics, like cell phones, computers and all kinds of other digital gadgets. The soldering station is equipped with 750 watts of power and 2.5 of working space. It operates with a temperature range of 400 degrees Fahrenheit and can heat up in only 30 seconds. The JCD soldering station comes with all the accessories needed to get started. This SMD rework iron also comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Number 3. Kaisi SUGON 2020D Soldering Station. Kaisi SUGON 2020D Hot Air Soldering Station is a portable and lightweight hot air gun rework station, which is widely used for soldering, baking, drying, and desoldering of electronic circuit boards and more. It has the advantages of low power consumption, durability, and easy operation. SUGON 2020D hot air gun has the functions of temperature control, temperature setting range, temperature indication, temperature correction, temperature compensation, and workpiece temperature detection. SUGON 2020D hot air gun has the advantages of small size, convenient use and low power consumption. Number 2. SUNKKO 952D Soldering Station. The SUNKKO 952D soldering station is perfect for your reworking, SMD rework. This hot air rework station is also a soldering rework station and hot air gun. The SUNKKO 952D is a true 2-in-1 tool that can be used to sync and rework SMT components. It features dual voltage, an LCD display, detachable handles and a built-in vacuum cleaner. It heats up quickly and easily reworks surface mount components. The SUNKKO 952D features 2 heat outputs, hot air 120 and soldering iron 350. It also includes a built-in vacuum cleaner to clean up assembly containers. It's a great tool for general electronics repair or any surface mount rework. Number 1. Kaisi SUGON T3602 Soldering Station. The SUGON T3602 is a high-performance soldering station equipped with high-precision temperature control, consistent heat conduction and superb reliability. It effectively improves productivity and assures quality in professional electronics manufacturing and PCB repair. The T3602 is equipped with a microcomputer control unit with LCD screen and a buzzer to indicate the selection of the temperature and function of the soldering iron and the iron stand. The temperature control range is from 200 to 480 degrees centigrade. T3602 can be equipped with a variety of soldering tips for different soldering applications. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.